Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So we have a customer that wanted a bench built, and so we have a motorcycle jack on the bench part that we just fabbed, and we're using the dogs here, the welding dogs on the table, and we're gonna put some wedges in the front part to hold these this motorcycle jack from moving. You want to put some wedges right here?
Okay.
So Pachuco's trying to get this sucker to stop moving around, and then as soon as we can get it to stop moving around, we can get this spot welded so we can get, these are not plumb yet, so let me grab some wedges. So he just wedged the dog to the jack with a 2x4 here, and then we have a 2x4 here balancing this, and now we gotta get this square and level and plumb and everything else. And then we gotta get these plumb to the table, these big gears. These are off of like a track layer, a big like D9 Caterpillar or whatever, and we're making a bench. So obviously this is the part you sit, and there's the part where your back goes. And it was at 14 and a half, I think.
Well, we're at 15 and a half now
Well, how the hell we do that?
because we moved back.
That actually looks better though, with this in the, behind it all.
So need to go back a 1/4 inch.
And then, so what we did is we took some magnets and run some squares right off of here, and off the back of these big gears, we ran a square down and back, and we ran our measurements to the back of the table, so we know they were 19 and a quarter. Good?
Yeah.
Turn that crap off, I'm filming, bitch. So now we're putting filler plates in here, and you can see like on this side here, this needs to be, everything's hot, I don't want to touch it, but is that one level yet, or plumb yet?
Not yet. Okay, go
Yeah,
from
so
that side.
this side we got dead nuts right here, and everything's, all the measurements are coming out right, so yeah, and then this one we have to beat around for a little bit. Sorry about the crappy camera work, but anyways, and then I think the next thing we'll do when we get everything plumb and square level and everything is we'll run some braces up to here, like this, front, rear, back, you know, so everything's nice and strong, because this thing's gonna weigh a ton. It took two of us to take those gears up there. I was gonna do it by myself, but you know, Pachuco offered to help because he was.
I don't remember that coming out of my mouth.
I would have just threw him up here with one hand.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, I mean, they don't weigh nothing. I wonder what these damn things do weigh.
Probably over 100 pounds a piece.
Oh, they're more than that. Took both of us to throw them up there. They were 100 pounds. I would have did them with my teeth. But and then I got this lumbers right here that we're gonna cut after we stain it and get it all prepped. It's like what is that, 1 3/4?
Yeah.
Rough cut, 2 inch, so it's like 1 3/4 inch. And then we'll run 2 slats across the back, 2 slats across the front. And then I'll sand all this stuff just real quick, knock the rust off of it, and clear coat it and leave it like that. So should be pretty cool. But I'll try to give you guys an update next couple days when we get this thing done. Appreciate you guys watching. Later.